Welcome to our project on crop prediction using Environmental Internet of Things. In this video, we'll show you how we use advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to predict the best crops for various environmental conditions. Our system uses three main sensors: a pH sensor to measure soil acidity, a soil moisture sensor to detect moisture levels, and a DHT11 sensor for ambient temperature and humidity. Each sensor plays a crucial role in collecting data to ensure accurate crop predictions. The collected data is sent to the cloud, allowing for real-time monitoring and analysis of environmental conditions. We utilize three machine learning algorithms: decision tree, random forest, and k-nearest neighbors. These models analyze the sensor data to predict the most suitable crops for the given conditions. Here, we display real-time data collected by our sensors. Temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, humidity is 52%, soil moisture is 66%, and pH level is 7. Based on this data, our models predict crops like Oxford cotton and soybeans. Our trained models are deployed in the cloud, ensuring continuous monitoring and accurate predictions. The system adapts to changing environmental conditions to provide up-to-date crop suggestions. In summary, our IoT-based crop prediction system offers a powerful tool for farmers, helping them make informed decisions and optimize crop yield. Thank you for watching.